Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to this Market Kya Lagta Hai episode. Guys, today is Saturday and it's about 11 am. I'm recording this video during market hours for a purpose. Post lunch, I have to go out, travel for this weekend. So I won't be able to record the video after market hours. But it seems pretty clear. The picture seems pretty clear right now. A very interestingly poised market, and as expected, we were expecting a breather from market. So this entire week, Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, they have taken a good breather, and in a way they have not shown any kind of a bullish move. Rather, whatever is happening, whatever is taking place is kind of a consolidation, and it is likely that whatever low that has been printed today, that can act as a important support. When I'm saying the low printed today, it can be the current low or it can be a new low that is formed today, because we are recording only at 11. There are still 4.5 hours to go in today's market session, so anything can happen. But if the low that has been formed, as you can see, in case of Bank Nifty, we can see a low here which currently is at 56,680. If this low holds, then this can be a new uptrend or a good bullish move that can be seen in both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Interestingly, at this junction, we are considering, many a times we talk about this is a good bull run, and in this bullish move, in this uptrend, what kind of a stocks that we should have and what kind of a indices we should, sectorial indices we should focus on. So primarily with this thought in mind, I'm coming up with a 6 months mentorship program. Now this 6 months mentorship program will be an online program with, let's say, 24 live webinars for the students. Apart from that, you are going to learn how to pick sectors and stocks, right? This is one of the important aspect. And along with that, we are going to learn risk and reward ratio, how you are going to deploy the capital and how you are going to manage those positions. These are the key important areas which I'm going to cover. Now this 6 monthly mentorship program will go on for 6 months, and there will be some period of hand holding thereafter. We'll have a dedicated WhatsApp group, and it will be a small 20 student batch so that individual attention can be given. I'm also planning to keep a monthly review meeting, right? So there'll be a individual review meeting, one-on-one review meeting with each student to understand the progress of that individual and what kind of a changes or what kind of a specific attention that student requires, right? So all these things I'm going to take care. If you are keen, interested, keep watching for the announcement, or you can just drop in your details on the growth module numbers, and then the team will get back to you. Okay, now moving on to Nifty. So Nifty, as we can see on a daily chart, some kind of a breather has taken place. Price is taking support at a 9 period EMA, and from there it is showing some kind of a possible bounce. At the same time, in this bull run, currently the breadth is around 60. That means 60% of the stocks are above their 200 period daily moving average, right? So this is a significant, this is in a way indication that we are into a good bull run. Now your focus should be on the stocks or the sectors which were at the top when market was under correction. The first sector to reach to all-time high should be on your radar. So the prominent two sectors that comes into my mind, one is Nifty Financial and another is banking sector, so Nifty Bank. So these are the two important sectors which are going to perform. So accordingly, you will have to select your stocks. Now, when we are looking at Nifty individual chart, last week we had drawn a path stating that it will make some interim high and then there will be some consolidation. So we are going as per the plan. Price is right now at a 50 EMA on hourly time frame. So this has gone something like, I'll just correct this. So as per the market move, we were anticipating, expecting that it should go up till, let's say, 25,500. It has broken that level, and currently we are here at 25,400 something. Now what should happen, what I'm expecting, there should be a bounce, and there should be a quick bounce, very quick, ferocious kind of a bounce, and we should be able to close about 25,600 we are not very far away from the market high or all-time high. So the target can be 26,000, and above 26,000 the next level is always the previous high, which is around 26,277, right? Yeah, so 26,277 is the previous high, and very quickly in this month itself I'm expecting market to cross above this and reach to an all-time high is the expectation. What we are waiting right now is a confirmation from Nifty, and Nifty will give us some confirmation, some bullish signs from these levels, and then accordingly we'll get to see a next leg of rally. So that next leg of rally, now we can calculate that part as well. If we plot it from this low to the high and again to the retracement, so the target that comes to is 25,800, 25,950. This is going to be our significant 26,000 target, right? And then above that we should reach to 26,300. This is going to be the all-time high target. This is the second target that I'm looking at. These targets are not about this week, right? So this week is all going to be, the coming week is going to be a bullish follow-up to this already bullish uptrend, and then once we cross above this high of 25,674, then we will set out to the next target of 26,000 and maybe all-time high in Nifty. If we are talking about Bank Nifty, so in case of Bank Nifty, the fall is already arrested near the 26,700 level, and from those levels it can just zoom up like anything. The first target or first confirmation sign can be Nifty moving above 57,000 very quickly, right? So if that happens, then we have two targets here. First target is 57,920. It can roughly be calculated as 58,000, or the second target is 58,678, which can be roughly calculated around 58,700, right? So these are the two targets that I am expecting. In a way, I feel that if there is going to be an up move, I don't have a confirmation right now. So whatever narrative typically people give you, people sense some kind of a bearishness, people feel that there is going to be some volatile period due to Trump tariff, the deadline is coming on 9th of July, some kind of a deal through which US and India reaches, then that can be a very positive news for the market, for this market, and then that will propel the market to a higher level and a very quick momentum that can be seen. We will not go by my narrative as well, and don't follow anyone's narrative. Just keep your faith on the price, follow the price, and the price is something that will guide you, isn't it? So you have to focus on these aspects, and these simple things will keep you in the right direction of the trend, right? It's a big opportunity, it's a big bull market, and make sure that you do not miss out on this, right? So pick your stocks. If you have some questions, do write to me in comment box. I will try to answer them as much as possible. And that's it for this particular week. Have a great weekend, guys, and a next trading week. Thank you so much for watching. I'm signing off. Bye bye.